Welcome to Employee Central. In this demo, I'll give you an overview of how to navigate the tool. The way you work in Employee Central is different than MSS. In MSS, WOBs impersonate or toggle between managers to transact. The positions and people you can view, edit, or transact on in Employee Central depend on your role privileges. For example, whether you have non-confidential or confidential WOB access. Log in to Employee Central either via HR Web or the direct link. I'll start from the homepage dashboard. You can easily navigate back to this page from any other page in the tool by clicking on the HR Web logo in the upper left corner. The dashboard has a menu bar at the top and tiles below, sorted into different sections. Each tile represents a set of tasks, a view of the organization, or the status of a transaction. Tiles include org chart, manage bulk requests, pending requests, and others. Most tasks in Employee Central can be launched in multiple ways. I can click on individual tiles, or I can type keywords or an employee's name into the search bar. Many people use the position org chart view as a starting point. Here are the ways you could navigate there. Type position into the search bar. You can see actions like View Position Org Chart and links to helpful resources like this video. Or you could click on the Favorites and Delegate tile. Here's a link to the Position Org Chart. Or you could click on the Org Chart tile. Here's your photo. Click up one level and you'll see your manager's team. Then click on the Position Org Chart link at the top left of the screen to arrive at the Position Org Chart. You can use the search options on the top left of the Position Org Chart to search by positions or number or people. The search is dynamic. As you enter more numbers or letters, your search results filter or narrow down. You can also save the Position Org Chart view as a favorite or bookmark in your browser. When you return to this view, however, it will show the position you were last looking at, not your manager's team. Why is the Position Org Chart view useful? It's important to understand the differences between a position and a person in the tool. Think of a position as an empty seat in your organization that can be occupied by a person. A position must exist before somebody can be placed in it, whether they are being hired externally or transferring from another position. If the seat or position is open, you can edit the position details. For example, changing the position's cost center. Open positions do not have a person's name or picture. They are tagged as 0 of 1 FTE here. If a position is filled, you cannot edit the position in Employee Central. You must edit the person occupying the position instead. You can do that by clicking on the person's name, here, not the position box. This displays the person's employee profile, where you can edit their job information, for example, making reports to changes, cost center changes, or other changes like standard title or location, depending on your role privileges. See the WOB and Auto Delegate functionality section for more information about WOB privileges. As we transition all countries to the new tool, you will continue to see people and positions in Employee Central that you can't transact on because of their location. If a person or position is located in a country or company code where Employee Central is not live yet, you may need to make edits in either HeadTracks or MSS. See the EC or non-EC scenarios section for more information here. You can also navigate to an employee's profile by typing their first name, last name, email, or alias into the search bar. Hovering over the person's name brings up a card showing more information. You can click on the name to go to the full profile, on the email address to send an email, on the org chart link, or on Take Action to initiate a transaction like a job data change. For transactions submitted by other people, you can go to the appropriate section of the employee's profile to see the status. Here is an example of pending reports to and cost center changes in the organization information section. To check status for a transaction you submitted, you can go back to the home page and click on the Pending Requests tile. Here are the requests you've submitted, which are waiting for someone else to approve. Depending on which fields are being changed for the person or position, approvals may be required by a manager, finance, or HR. These approvals are automatically routed to the correct approvers. You can also access HR Insights catalog reports, such as pending transactions or one PCN through the All Reports tile here. See the reporting section for more information.